This is crypto!
Just on a separate topic, almost to bring us back to Bitcoin, since I know that seems to be the topic du jour these days. How do you see the Fed thinking right now about the idea of a digital dollar, a digital coin, and whether it's important that the U.S. Be on the forefront of cryptocurrency, and whether effectively the Fed could let Bitcoin reach escape velocity? Perhaps it's already reached escape velocity.
Yeah, I don't know. We're looking at it, but dollars can be traded electronically already, so it's not. I'm not sure that that's really the issue here. The issue is privately issued currency, and we've had historically privately issued currency in the United States before the Civil War. And you had what at the time would have been, something like the equivalent of Bank of America dollars and JP Morgan dollars and Wells Fargo dollars. And they were all trading around, and they traded at different discounts to each other. And people did not like it at all. And so I think the same thing would occur with Bitcoin here. You don't want to go to a non-uniform currency where you're walking into Starbucks and maybe you'll pay with Ethereum, maybe you'll pay with Ripple, maybe you'll pay with Bitcoin, maybe you'll pay with $1. That isn't how we do this. We have a uniform currency that came in at the Civil War time. $1 is $1, and another thing about it is that there's already currency competition globally. There's hundreds of currencies globally, and some of them are privately issued, but they have to meet all the same restrictions that all of us do that try to run a currency regime. You have to have stability about future supply, and it's not at all clear that, and you have to have stable value against other against goods and against other currencies. And private currencies aren't doing that. There's a lot of them being issued. Milton Friedman predicted that if you allowed private currency issuance, you would get a lot of them. That's exactly what's happened here. Thousands of coins, virtual coins, have been issued. And so this is just part of the normal currency competition that has gone on for centuries.
Hey, Jim, do you, but the rationale that Bitcoin is a store of value in the face of the debasement of fiat currency, do you believe that argument has merit? And does it make sense for people and companies that are now building positions in Bitcoin? Do you believe that has merit? And do you yourself, have you bought any Bitcoin?
I don't. I actually can't invest. I only invest in indexes and stuff. Currency competition has been going on forever. The British pound in the 19th century was the top dog. Was replaced by the dollar in the 20th century. Still the top currency, but it is a currency competition, and investors want a safe haven. They want a stable store of value, and then they want to conduct their investments in that currency. The yen, also very strong. Euro, also very strong, but neither of those is going to replace the dollar. It'd be very hard to get a private currency that's really more like gold to play that role. So I don't think that that's where we're going to see any changes in the future.
Well, then you must think $50,000 is an insane value for Bitcoin then.
Yeah, I mean, the gold price has moved up and down since the 70s and 80s. That hasn't affected Fed policy as far as I can tell.
No, I know, but so you would characterize Bitcoin at this point as so I guess you said the rationale does not have merit. So then I guess you
characterize it as a rival to gold, and that might be a good way to think about it.
Oh, okay. All right. So yeah. You don't have an opinion whether 50,000 is a bubble for Bitcoin. Yeah, that wasn't the case you were making?
No, I just think, for Fed policy, it's going to be a dollar economy as far as the eye can see, and a dollar global economy, really, as far as the eye can see. And whether the gold price goes up or down or the Bitcoin price goes up or down doesn't really affect that.